Hi, I'm Matthew Harvey and welcome to my studio. Today I'll be drawing Frozone from The Incredibles, one of my favourite characters. I hope you enjoy.
Honey!
What?
Where's my super suit?
I hope you enjoyed watching me recreate Frozone from The Incredibles. Be sure to let me know in the comments below if there's any other characters you'd like me to recreate. Please leave a like, subscribe and don't forget the notification bell. And remember, find inspiration and be creative. Thank you for watching.